Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: a verified bank account or debit card and a stable internet connection. Once done, open Google Pay and tap the Payment or Send tab to begin. Make sure notifications and app permissions are allowed so transactions proceed smoothly. You're now at the point of entering recipient or service details, so keep your phone unlocked and in reach. This avoids interruptions and lets you move directly to choosing the mobile operator, amount, and payment method without delay. You'll now enter the critical details. First, select Mobile Recharge and type the phone number or pick from saved contacts. Accuracy matters. Next, choose the operator and plan or enter a custom amount. Confirm the currency sign so you don't underpay. Then pick the payment method: linked bank, debit/credit card, or UPI. Make sure the payment source shows as default if you prefer it. If not, change it here. Once all fields look correct, tap Review to prepare for checkout. You finish by reviewing every field and tapping Pay, then complete the requested authentication: PIN, fingerprint, or OTP. Wait for the confirmation screen and save the receipt or take a screenshot for records. If the transaction succeeds, the recharge is immediate or completes within minutes. You'll get an SMS. If it fails, verify your account balance, update the app, ensure network stability, and retry or switch payment methods. Contact your bank only if money is debited with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.